Hey pigeon lovers, how na day? I don't come again with another obonge video. Anytime when I come this channel, I dey always happy because I dey always see as una dey happy to receive these videos from me. So yeah. We're going to be doing the regular everyday pidgin English phrases. I'm going to be telling you the English word phrase and the pidgin phrase. Okay, if you're ready, then I'm ready. Let's jump straight into it. I don't have time for nonsense. I no get time for nonsense. I no get time for nonsense. Okay, you have to use this body language that I'm using. I no get time for rubbish. Not today. No be today I go face you. No be today I go face you. Come another day. All right? I'm not going to do this with you today. Come tomorrow. Just maybe I might have your time. But right now, I don't have time for stress. I don't have time for your rubbish. I can't shout. I know fit shout. I know fit shout. I know fit shout is used randomly in different contexts. What example can I give now? Let's say somebody surprises you and you were very surprised and you were expressing how you held your mouth in shock. You can say, I no fit shout. I just hold my mouth. I say, wetin be this? I no fit shout. Okay, that's one way that you can use it. If you know other ways that you can use I no fit shout, let us know in the comments. I need some time to think about it. I go need small time to reason am. Yeah? Make I go reason am. Let me go and think about it. Make I go reason am. I need small time to reason am. So I need time to think about it. Make I go reason am. I go get back to you tomorrow. I go tell you how far tomorrow. Right? So let me go and think about it. Tomorrow I'm going to update you. I go tell you how far tomorrow, yeah? Or you can say, let me go and reason with my husband. Let me go and speak with my husband. Okay, make I go reason am with my husband. We go get back to you tomorrow. We go update you tomorrow. We go tell you how far tomorrow. Anyone go, calm down. Cool down now. What's in the worry you? Cool down. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. You too the hot. Your blood too the hot. Okay, they can say, like, you always get agitated or angry easily. Your blood too the hot. Cool down. Cool your blood down, bruh. Go and put it in front of the air conditioner and cool your blood down. What is it? Waiting be that? Waiting. This month you go the open wide for me. You won't beat me. The open wide for me every time. Waiting happen. I be your picking. Cool down. It just simply means every time you're always acting like you're going to beat me, you're going to fight me. Calm down, man. Chill. I'm not your child. I'm not a baby. Calm down. Every time you go the open eye, they show yourself. Your blood go dey hot every time. Guy, calm down before I mend you. If you no calm down, I go mend you. It means I'm going to deal with you and show you what I'm made of if you don't cool down. Calm down, make we talk as adults. Calm down, make we talk. Make we discuss as adults where we be. Calm down, make we discuss. Wait now. You won't beat me. This issue is beyond me. This matter pass my power. Oh. This matter pass my power. It's beyond what I can handle. It pass my power. God will help us. Now God hand we dey. Okay, we're in the hands of God, literally. Now God hand we dey. Now God hand we dey. Now only God fit help us. I'm managing. I dey manage. What you say make I do now? I dey manage. We thank God. That's one of the way we greet people. Like, oh, how are you? Instead of saying I dey, let's say things are not really good with you. Let's say you are broke or whatever, and somebody says how you dey. You can just go, I dey manage. Oh, now God hand we dey. Even for us to see food chop, we no dey even see food chop. Now God dey help us. All right, I'm very broke. We don't have food to eat, but God has been sustaining us. I dey manage. And let's say you want to tell the person, don't worry, everything will be all right. You can go, no worry, everywhere goes soft. Like everything is going to be fine. So you can say, don't worry. You can either say, everything go dey all right. Or you can say, no worry, everywhere go good. Or no worry, everywhere goes soft very soon, yeah? no worry, just be patient. Very soon everywhere goes soft. I'm not in the mood. I know they in the mood. I know they in the mood. So you have to understand, anything that is I can't is I know fit. Okay? I can't shout. I know fit shout. I can't cook today. I know fit cook today. So replace I can't with I know fit. I know fit, fill in the blanks, put in the comments. Fill in the blanks with I know fit do something and put in the comments. I would like to read from you. It's not by force. No be by force. No be by force. It's not a must. No be by force. Don't rush me. No rush me. Why you rushing me? No, they rush me. No rush me. I no like am. I no like am. No rush me. I don't like it. Don't rush me. Don't push me. Just allow me flow the way I know how to flow. No rush me. No, they rush me. Now they rush me now to go they do pigeon phrase of the day. No rush me. I go do pigeon phrase of the day. Oh yeah, make I do am now. Make I do am make you happy. Let's quickly do the pigeon phrase of the day. The pigeon phrase of the day is no put sand for my garri. No put sand for my garri. I'm sure we've talked about this before. Garri is a, how can I say, a meal, like a local cereal. It's not cereal. It's a meal made from cassava. Some people call it cassava flakes. And it's one of the most popular, fast foods in Nigeria. We have it with groundnut, yeah? I should try and put a picture somewhere. I will try and put a picture somewhere for you to see it. So it has to really be smooth. Imagine having cornflakes and there's sand in your cornflakes. Do you understand? So, no put sand for my garri means don't spoil things for me. Don't come and spoil this blessing in my life. No carry sand put for my garri. Don't spoil things, okay? No spoil things for me. Come out your mouth from this matter. No put sand for my garri. No carry your bad luck, come put sand for my garri. I beg. Do you understand what that means? So yeah, that's the pigeon phrase of the day. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share with someone that you think would need it, okay? Let's run back into the video. I am very busy. I day very busy. I am very tired. I day very tired. I am happy. I day happy. I am sad. I day sad. Okay, so replace I am with I day. For example, I'm coming. I day come. So I am. I day fill in the blanks. Okay, I can't kill myself. I no fit kill myself. Remember, I can't is I no fit. I no fit kill myself. You are so good at this. You sabi this thing well. You are so good at it. Or you're good at your job. You sabi your job as makeup artist. Well. Okay, you can either say well, or you can say wella. That is you trying to emphasize how good this person is. You sabi this your makeup work wella. Or you sabi this your makeup work well. You're making matters worse. You dey spoil this matter. You dey spoil matter. Why you dey spoil matter? Leave it. Come on, man. Come on. It's not easy. E no easy. E no easy. Life is not easy. Life no easy. Okay? Baking is not easy. Baking no easy. Cooking no easy. Raising children no dey easy. Cooking no dey easy. So you can either say e no easy or e no dey easy. Any of them goes. No one is wrong, no one is right, okay? Cooking no dey easy. To handle family, e no easy, my brother. I go lie for you. I go lie for you. E no easy. I am in the mood. I dey in the mood. I dey happy mood today. I dey happy mood today. Or I dey feel jolly today. Let's forget about that. I dey happy mood, okay? Or I'm in the mood. I am in the mood. I'm not in the mood. I know they in the mood. I'm not interested. I know they interested, or I know send. Like I told you guys in my last video, I know send your papa. I know send you. I mean, I don't give a I don't care. Okay, I don't care. I'm not interested. So you can say, I know they're interested, or I know send. Just forget about it. By the way, forget about it is free am. Okay? Forget about it. Let it go free. Just let it go. Forget about it. Free am. Okay? Or leave me alone. Free me. Free me. Leave me. Just free me. Free me. You guys, I've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you're not. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Okay, share with someone that you think would need it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye bye.